back. Hope you're doing fine. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple homemade soap that you can use for both your hair and your body. And the ingredients I'm going to be using is powdered aloe vera. I have 2 teaspoons of powdered aloe vera here, and here I have 120 grams of melt and pour soap. And then I'm going to go ahead to place my pan on the stove with water in it, and then I put my soap in for it to melt. I'm going to wait for about a few minutes for it to melt while I stir it. While I'm on that, if this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And please guys, help me share this video, leave a like and a comment below. So now that the soap has melted, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to pour in my 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. As you can see, I have a bit much of aloe vera here. This is to make the soap well consecrated. That is why I added 2 tablespoons. You can make yours less or you can make it more, depending on how you want it. So I'm going to go ahead and stir it to mix it very well with the soap. Once I'm done stirring it, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add 5 drops of lavender essential oil. This lavender essential oil is good for your hair and is also good for skin. And in addition, it's going to give it a nice smell. Then after adding that, I'm going to go ahead and bring down the soap. Then I'll go ahead and pour it in my soap stamp. And once I'm done pouring it in, I'm going to leave it for a few hours for it to thicken before I come and remove it from the stamp. So this is the soap after a few hours. The last thing I'm going to be doing is to take it off the stamp, and then my soap is ready. This soap is good for washing hair and it's also good for the skin.